Hello, this is Caleb Balata, and this is my presentation for quiz 5. For this quiz, we are asked to explain our code for question number 3. For question number 3, we're asked to define a table of product of even ints with two factors, even, 1, and end even. So here's my code right here. So first, we define the table of product of even ints with two variables, even 1 and end even. Then we set the print value of even 1, even 2, and product with space between them, so we can set the table. Then set the line below them. Then we say while end even is equals even 2, it means that even 2 is smaller than end even, but even 2 becomes to be even 1 plus 2, then plus 2 again, until even 2 is equals to end even. After we set that, we use given sample run right here. Then we ran it. As you can see. Thank you.